Welcome back, guys. Here we are at Island RC, and we're going to be doing the differential today.
To B differential assembly. Differential. Okay, what are we going to start off with? We got to build two of these guys, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's lay out the parts. You want to help me lay out these parts?
So we have the ring gear.
Yeah, let's keep them on the green so the people at home can see what we got.
But we're at home.
People out there, well, people watching, wherever they may be.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Why didn't you just say so?
Okay, and then we got these guys. So let's match them all up because we got to build two. And these are the carriers, so we're going to need that. Focus, focus, focus. And look, we got three hands. Rah, monster. All right. What do you want to start with?
So we're gonna put the long diff output gear into the differential carrier, like so.
And then I'm gonna just set it in there. You got this thing in there. You on that side, I'll go on this side. All right. Now for the spider gears. So we're gonna need 4 of those. You got your 4.
I only got 2. No, only have 4 pins.
Wait a minute. There should be 4 pins total, right? 2. You have 2 in your hand, and you've got 4 of these, so we're good.
So you're gonna put the
pins together, like so, and those drop in.
also like so.
Like that. This isn't really deep enough. Did you knock yours out already? Did you do it already? All right.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty fast.
And
okay.
I like to just do a little test spin like that.
And now's the time to add a large drop of grease between the spider gears.
Did it say large?
It does say large in capital letters.
Where? Oh. Why is it green?
Because they knew it was your favorite color.
Is this big enough?
Yeah, I might actually put a little bit more in this one. Okay.
It's just spinning. It's not really getting on the gears much.
Okay.
Oh, it's going now. It's eating.
All right.
It's eating. So we're going to put a light coat on the short diff output gear. That's going to go in the this thing.
I think you need to get it a little bit on this outside surface here. And then you drop it in just like that. And I'm going to put a little bit more on top. Did you get it around the cylinder?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and then the next step is to match it up with the carrier. And then there's these
Screw holes.
indentions yeah, where it lines up. Okay.